Welcome to Strength 30 Days of Tai Chi. Today is day 1, Foundations of Strength. So this program is designed to help you build strength, enhance mental focus, and improve your overall well-being through Tai Chi, Qigong, and strength training exercises. So each day you'll encounter a new theme that guides you through your practice, along with a bonus strength building exercise to do along with your Tai Chi for the best results. So make sure to click the link right on the video at the end of each session, and that'll bring you right to your bonus exercise of the day. All right, and if you haven't already, please sign up for free for this program to receive the full program delivered to your inbox. All right, so with this program, you'll get a free downloadable strength calendar, so you can click on each day and go directly to the video for your convenience. And you'll also get a daily message and a poem that I created specifically for this program every day to help you stay motivated and to deepen your practice. So by the end of this program, you'll have a deeper sense of strength, balance in all areas of your life. So you'll have physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual balance. All right, or at least you'll be working towards that. You'll be well on your path. All right, I hope you enjoy this journey, and I hope it's enjoyable and transformative. All right, and so the skills that you practice and learn, I really do hope that they stay with you long after the program has ended. So today's session, Foundations of Strength, really sets the tone for our month-long journey into the powerful and healing art of Tai Chi. So designed specifically to help you build physical and mental strength, this video is the perfect starting point. So without further ado, find a place where you can do some mindful movement. We'll do our Tai Chi flow. You don't need a lot of space, just enough room to reach your arms out to the sides and enough to where you can take a step forward and you can take a step back. All right, so with this class, you don't have to get any of the movements perfect. Just follow along the best you can. I'll be your mirror image, and you can have a seat at any time. We'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can. The hands can come to the lower abdomen, and just taking a few deep breaths in and out. As you breathe in, the belly expands, and as you breathe out, the belly returns toward the spine, abdominal breathing. Breathing in and breathing out, arriving in the body. Coming into the present moment, just letting go of all the worries from the day, just coming into the here and now. And then on the next inhale, you can hold the breath at the top just for a moment if you like, and then let it out with a big sigh, just letting out tension and stress. Then the hands float down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bring it into the heart, and then send it down through the body towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Nice and easy, nice and slow, feeling all the sensations that you can, bringing mindfulness to the body. One more time, sinking the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front, just to about shoulder height. Then the arms get heavy, floating down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in like mist rising from the lake. Breathing out, floating down like a gentle rain. We call this opening the door, the start of the journey. One more time, rising up and softening down. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. Then the arms float down, the fingertips point up. They float up the midline of the body, they spiral out and away, and then float down. Silk reeling, the upward spirals. So rising up, opening the shoulders and chest, coming down, decompressing the spine, feeling the sensations one more time, the upward spirals. And then from here, reverse direction with the arms, floating all the way up and over, just as much as you can comfortably. The fingertips point down, going down the center line, and then spiral out and away. The downward spirals. So just softening down and opening, effortlessly. Nice and soft, feeling all the sensations that you can. One more time, silk rilling downward spirals. And then circle the arms in front as if you're hugging a big tree and soften. Draw the hands in towards the heart, shift your weight over to one side and step in, and then step out to the corner. And as you step out, pushing forwards in space. Drawing the hands back in as you shift back and push forwards, pushing the mountain. Breathing in and breathing out, or taking as many breaths as you need. Just keep on breathing. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time the hands float up. They come all the way up and over and down in front of the body, scooping under like you're gathering in the energy, gather in the breath, let it wash through the body. Tai Chi circling. Nice and gentle. One more time. All right, very nice. Then step the front foot back in, the hands come back in towards the heart, shift the weight as you step in, and then step out to the other corner as you push the mountain. Nice and easy, nice and slow, no rush, nowhere to go. Can you be here now? Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time the hands float up and over. They come down in front of the body, scooping under, Tai Chi circling. It's like we're bathing in this healing energy, letting it wash through the body. All right, one more time. Tai Chi circling. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree right out in front. Take your time. Shift the weight as you step in, and then step out to the corner. This time the arms open out to the sides as you shift the weight forward. Then as you shift the weight back, the wrists cross, hinging from the hips. Keeping the spine nice and long, the arms float out to the sides. The butterfly. Then the wrists cross as you shift the weight forward, the front knee bends, the arms open. So shifting the weight back as you cross the wrists, hinge from the hips, the arms float out to the sides. Coming forward, the front knee bends, the arms open. Taking a bow, spreading the wings. One more time, the butterfly. You don't have to go very low, just keeping the spine nice and long. And then from here, step the front foot back in, hug the tree, shift the weight, step in, and then step out to the other corner, the arms open, out to the sides, shifting the weight back, the wrists cross, hinging from the hips, the arms float out to the sides. The wrists cross, shifting forward, the front knee bends and open. Take a bow, flutter the wings, the butterfly. Keeping the spine nice and long. Breathing. Mindful movement. How mindful can you be? All right, one more time, the butterfly. This time, step the front foot back in, hug the tree right out in front. And then from here, step one foot out a little bit wider. The fingertips point down as you soften down. Then the hands come forward as they go all the way up and over, and then down in front of the body, digging in the garden. Coming down, softening the hips and knees, and then coming back up. All right, one more time. Digging in the garden. And then we'll reverse direction. The hands float up and over, they go down, and then up through the center line of the body once again as we harvest from the garden, enjoying the fruits of our labor. All right, one more time. All right, this time hug the tree right out in front, and then both arms float all the way over to the side and down, this time floating up to shoulder height, and then other side. All right, this time one hand makes an arrow, the other draws the bow, and then soften down. Rising up, release the bow, other side, the other hand makes an arrow, draw the bow, soften down. Coming back up. This time you can soften down as you draw the bow. All right, one more time, the archer. And then circle the arms all the way in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the arms open up wide. The hands float down by the sides as you step one foot in, coming on the ball of the foot. And then the arms float out to the sides like a beautiful bird we call the crane. You can keep your foot down or you can lift it up, touching down as needed. And then this time the arms float up and over just as much as you can comfortably. And then stepping down, other side, the crane. But just the arms at first. Breathing in, breathing out. This time lifting your leg if you like, touching down as needed, just meeting yourself where you're at. This time the arms can float up and over, and then stepping down. This time reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hug the tree. I love the hugs. And then step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the palms face each other in front of the heart, and then coming down like we're planting a tree into the earth. Then the hands brush out to the sides, coming all the way up and over, down the center line, planting the tree. And then other side, coming up and over, breathing. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, planting the tree. And then circling in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the arms open up wide. The hands float down, the backs of the hands face each other. They float up the midline of the body and then drift out to the sides, the fountain. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. How much can you let go? As we learn to move like water, soft but powerful. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the fountain. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, the palms face up towards the sky. Then the hands come down the center line as you soften down with the hips and knees. The hands brush out to the sides. Coming back up as we gather the seeds. And then we'll plant the seeds into the earth. Softening down. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, softening down. All right, one more time, planting seeds. And then circle in front, hug the tree, step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, both arms drift over to the side and down, and then just drifting side to side with the arms down low. Like tall grass in the breeze, nice gentle sway. And then shift all your weight over to one side, tap the heel right out in front, like you're testing out the water. Bring it back in, shift the weight, other side, tap the heel. All right, this time tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. Other side, tap the heel, hand comes over the foot. This time, hand over the foot, the other hand in front of the heart. Playing the peepa, the Chinese guitar. Other side, tap the heel, the hands come out in front. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, planting the seeds. breathing out. One more time, playing the peepa. And then step in and hug the tree, step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the arms open up wide, the wrists cross down low. And then as you rise up, the arms open overhead, floating all the way out and down. Gathering the energy from the earth, giving it back to the sky above, harmonizing yin and yang, creating balance and harmony in the body and mind. One more time, harmonizing yin and yang. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hug the tree, step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the arms open up wide, the hands float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. And then this hand here floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Creating focus and clarity, calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both arms float all the way up and over, just as much as you can comfortably. The hands float down as you soften. Then circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball in front of the body, coming all the way around and under, back up to the heart, and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down, and then this time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then pressing out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. Then the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze. Just letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly. Bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feeling the sensations of the breath. Then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And then if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. All right, and so now I'd love to share a poem with you as well that I created specifically for this program. All right, so here's your poem for the day. It's called Roots of Strength. In the stillness of the earth, roots grow deep and unseen. A calm power begins to emerge. In the quiet, strength is born. All right, so you'll be getting a new video every day with a poem that I created for each day of this program. Now remember, in addition to the Tai Chi, I also have a bonus exercise for you each day. All right, so just click the link right here to go to the next video to get your strength training exercise video of the day, and I'll see you over there.